What's the date, Hega?
I have no idea. September 25th?
I think it's later than
26th?
that. 26th, maybe?
26th.
Did you have a good trip this time?
I did.
How you feeling about the progress of everything?
I think it's great. It's wonderful. We're done with the roof. We're ready for the walls.
Okay. I feel like you're gonna swing that thing and hit me. Oh, you got it?
I got it.
Here I am filming and you're working.
I think I got it.
I'm gonna go ramble. Okay, so like she said, it's the 26th or so. And it is getting late into fall. We're not staying here anymore. We're staying down at the farm. We probably could, but it's uncomfortable, and it's really nice having the showers and everything. Luckily this weekend we had no rain, and we had 2 days of work. But nothing we do is quick, and it took us forever to kind of reach this milestone, but it's positive, and we're very happy about it. We got the roof on this thing, and I think it's okay. I'm really curious and sort of concerned to watch and see how the water sheds off of this thing, and the flashing up top was difficult to say the least. Not just getting up there and balancing while I fit it, but and the sequencing of putting this thing together, and reaching across to the last rail from the next open bay to screw everything down tight, knowing that you'll never get back there again. Basically, that was your one chance to get it right. But the whoever made this stuff is, I don't know. It's zinc, so that's great. It'll last. I'm not sure it was made to really fit together properly. So when I look at the top, I'm kind of horrified at the way that they don't. There's not a male and a female sort of sleeve into which these things slot properly. So I had to really force them, and you get some of that warping up there, which really pisses me off. Hega swears that nobody else will see it, but now we'll see. I'm done. I can't do this anymore, so go around and look at the other side. The other component was the drains, the gutters. We don't have the downspouts in yet, and we're gonna have to order another one, and there's a few things we have to think about. But the actual gutters are in, and as good as they're going to be. Again, the same concerns apply to the top, the flashing and everything on top. It wasn't easy to get these things together, but they look good from a distance. I really hope that they shed the water properly. Anyway, this is it. It looks good. The wood looks good from the inside. It's warm, and the oil that we're using, it seems to kind of glow. All of those things that we wanted. We seem to have been fairly successful at achieving them. So the next thing we have to do is start cutting down the last of our the last of our wood to create little nailing strips and tack in the rest of the plexiglass in the walls. And that's going to be a long and tedious couple of weekends probably, but we'll see. Maybe the weather's in our favor, and maybe it turns out to be easier than everything else. Anyway, here we are. I guess I'll go up close. I'm way behind on what I hoped we would have accomplished this season. Way behind. Yet looking back on it, I don't see how we could have done a better job just tagging and working on this. We're pretty proud of it. And we worked pretty consistently and well. So it just takes so much longer than I think it does. We're looking forward to getting the door in, which is kind of ready to go in. Today we built this, we're calling it our deck. Wondering if it's just wide enough to put a couple of chairs out here, but it was the only way that we were able to get a ladder up and install the very last bay of plexiglass and the rails. Again, this is zinc. It should patina a little bit, but not much. I shouldn't be showing this too closely because you'll see sloppiness. Right, that's it.